In this video, I'll show you how to create an All-in-Trade account in a step-by-step process. If you have any questions regarding this video, then I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. My name is Pawan Dakal, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it and don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. Firstly, I've given the link in the description below. You can click that and you'll see some kind of interface. You'll also be able to get 100% bonus in All-in-Trade. So make sure to use the link that I have given in the description of this video. Once you click that, you'll see this kind of interface or maybe another kind of interface. Just simply click on registration, or if there is anything like get started now or trade now, just click on it. So for now I am clicking on registration. Once you click on that, then you will see this kind of pop-up where you can enter your email, where you should enter your email and then create a password that you can remember. So once you type the password, simply click on this checkbox and select the currency that you want to appear in your trading account. If it is euro, then you can select euro. If it is dollar, then you can select dollar. Once you do this much, simply click on sign up. You can click on save so that your browser can remember your ID and password. Now you can simply click on start training and you can watch some informational video that will educate you in regard to this platform and trading strategies, or you can simply cross it by here, clicking on here and click on finish. Once you do this much, then you will see an interface which is of demo account. So you can make some demo trade or practice trade here with this practice fund. If you click on this demo account, then you will see another account inside this interface that would be your real account, where you need to deposit the real fund and trade in All-in-Trade. Okay. So now the important thing is, just making an account is not enough. So you need to also think of verifying your account on All-in-Trade. So to do so, you need to firstly go into this kind of icon here, click on there and scroll down below. Then you will see a profile setting. Just click on it and then click on personal firstly and enter your name here. So I'll put my name here and click on save name. Now it is done. Simply click on continue and then you can upload a profile picture. Okay, so for now I don't have any profile picture here, so you can upload a profile picture simply by double clicking on your picture that you want to appear as your profile picture in this platform. So once you do this much, you can come to the phone number section and put your phone number. You will receive a code that you need to get by clicking on get the code button. Okay, now let me wait to receive a code. Okay, so I have received a code in my mobile phone. Let me enter it. Once you do this much, then click on confirm. Now it is also success. Now click on continue. Now if you want to connect your Facebook, you can do that, but I would not recommend you to do this, but it's your choice. So now simply go to back and click on account verification. And then here you can see you need to contact support. Now basically you need to firstly deposit a minimum deposit of All-in-Trade, that would be $10. Then you can contact support to verify your account. Okay, so firstly you can deposit a minimum of $10 in All-in-Trade, and then you can contact support. To do so, you can simply click on contact support and you'll see another interface, and simply go to open chat. Okay, you need to enter your name here and just type hi, I want to verify my account so that I don't face any problem while depositing and withdrawing my funds. Okay, once you send them a message, this kind of message, by putting your name here, and they will reply with you a proper instruction. And make sure you do have your citizenship, passport or driving license, and either a bank statement or a utility bill or some kind of that kind of document to verify your address. Citizenship, passport and driving license will verify your identity, and utility bill and bank statement kind of stuff will verify your address. Okay, so you need to have these two kind of document in order to verify your account, fully verify your account on Olymtrade. So for now I'm going back, and another important thing I want to show you in this Olymtrade is in this more. You can scroll, once you click on more, scroll down below and you will see some education material that will be useful for you if you are thinking to trade binary options on Olymtrade. You can see, you can read this, or you can watch this kind of training, I mean short videos that will guide you in a step-by-step process inside this platform. Okay, tutorial for beginners. I would suggest you to watch this video at least, so that you don't get confused while trading inside this platform. So now another important thing I would like to show you is frequently asked questions, which will answer you your lots of query regarding to verification, payment, payout, status, MetaTrader 4. Okay, this kind of stuff. You can watch this kind of stuff inside this platform, and there are various other things like special offer, deposit bonus, and if you are thinking to, you can simply withdraw fund once your account is fully verified. You can simply click on withdraw and you can withdraw your real funds from here, or you can simply click on deposit and make some deposit. Okay, and you will also get 100% bonus. So let's see. Okay, here is the payment method that you can select. If you get confused regarding anything, if you get confused regarding anything, then you can simply go to FAQ and see those questions that you are confused about. Okay, and you can click on special offer here, and one pay bonus up to 50% of your deposit amount. Okay, you can click on activate, and you can then deposit at least $500 and get a bonus of up to 50%. The bigger the deposit, the bigger the bonus. Okay, bonus on the pay. So this promo is going recently, and you can deposit a $500 after clicking activate here, and then you will get a $250 bonus inside this platform, which you can use to trade in Olymtrade. So this much I wanted to show you in this video, and it is not showing here, but I think once you select and deposit the amount up to, I think I'm exactly not sure why it is not showing, but you will be eligible to get some deposit bonus also once you make deposit for the first time. So I'll make sure to put that kind of link in the description of this video, so please make sure to see that. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.